are pleased to show you the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.